The U.S. highways in Utah are maintained by the Utah Department of Transportation, UDOT. The United States numbered highway system is a nationwide system with only a small portion of its routes entering Utah. Originally, the State Road Commission of Utah, created on March 23, 1909, was responsible for maintenance, but these duties were rolled into the new UDOT in 1975. There are 2,061.979 miles, 3,318.434 kilometers, of U.S. highways in the state. The longest is U.S. Route 89 at 502.577 miles, 808.819 kilometers, and the shortest is U.S. Route 89A at 2.94 miles, 4.73 kilometers. 6 former U.S. highways exist in the state of Utah. Of these, 5 have been replaced by current interstate and U.S. highways, while the other was replaced by a state route. The most recent change was the redesignation of U.S. Route 666 as U.S. Route 491 in 2003,